Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to enable or disable desktop site in DuckduckGo application on Android device. Well, enabling or disabling the desktop site view in the DuckduckGo application gives you control over how websites are displayed on your mobile device. Having this flexibility ensures a more tailored browsing experience based on your preferences and needs. So, let's go to the tutorial. Okay, firstly, open DuckduckGo application. Well, and here open any website you need to browse. Okay, so now click the three dots at the top right corner, and then you can select desktop site to activate it. Okay, and then the way to turn it off, you can do the same step. And lastly, select this option. Okay, that's the tutorial on how to enable or disable desktop site in the DuckduckGo application on Android device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.